How do you handle customized fluidic design iterations when you're on a tight timeline and budget? In fluidic pathway development, the most efficient way to optimize your system is to integrate a manifold to reduce device size, decrease leaks, and add valves and pumps, all in an effort to improve reliability of the flow path and get consistent performance. In the past, engineers designing complex fluidic channels in manifolds would need to wait patiently for a manufacturer to produce prototypes. Made through process-intensive lamination methods, each layer is individually machined to add fluid tracks before they are carefully aligned and stacked. Through a combination of heat and pressure, the assembly is diffusion bonded to join the layers together. Subsequent machining is required to finish the manifold, polish, and ship. This method is costly and takes weeks to deliver. Any design iterations added more time and more cost. A manifold can provide useful flow data and eliminate unknowns, but long lead times can hurt project timelines. With rapid prototype manifolds, you can accelerate your time to market with our 3D printed, industry-leading manifold prototypes, from order to delivery in 1 to 2 weeks. A 3D printed manifold prototype can form the basis of your overall design requirements. In this critical step, not only is a fully functional manifold produced, conventional manufacturing methods are established for later production. Our 3D printed, industry-leading manifold prototypes are engineered for proof of concept, saving you time and money without cutting corners on quality. Plus, we use additional machining operations to give each manifold glass-like clarity, so you can visually monitor fluid movement during the development phase. With recent advances in the additive manufacturing process, you get prototypes that are durable, precise, and can accommodate numerous fluidic components. Our experts utilize rapid prototyping techniques to help you navigate the iterative process with ease, working to improve your design and deliver fully functional manifold prototypes. This shortens your development time and makes the transition to production seamless. In a fiercely competitive landscape, rapid prototype manifolds allow you to optimize the form, fit, function, and manufacturability of your fluidic path with high-quality, cost-effective prototypes from order to delivery in just 1 to 2 weeks. Learn more at idex-hs.com/RPM.